Hello everyone, welcome back. For today's video, we are going to look, let me just tell you that in the previous video we have done and we have proved our first equation of motion जिसके अंदर we have discussed some important MCQs as well. For example, the velocity time graph gives the value of acceleration, right? So if you wanted to see this, you can check it out. Now in this video we are going to prove our second equation of motion and that अच्छा इससे पहले let me just remind you your important lines that we have done in our previous classes. ठीक है, तो let's just do that. ये सारे हमारे ठीक है. So first of all, the statement says that the rate of change the rate of change of displacement is called velocity. ठीक है, जब displacement के अंदर तब्दीली आएगी तो that will be known as velocity. ठीक है, the rate of change of distance is known as speed. जब distance के अंदर change आएगा, displacement means the shortest path is covered by a body, उसके अंदर change आएगा, कम ज़्यादा होगा, that will be known as velocity. For example, आप एक रास्ते से जा रहे हैं छोटे like अब it's really hard. Let's just do that. For example, you have to go to this house. आपको इस घर से जाना, तो आप यूं करके जा रहे हैं, alright, बहुत लंबा सा रास्ता लेके जा रहे हैं. That will be called as distance. But अगर आप यूं सीधा सीधा जा रहे हैं तो that will be known as displacement, means the shortest path. इसमें टाइम आपको ज़्यादा लेगा, it will require less time, so that makes sense. Alright, so then again, the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. Alright, and the rate of change of acceleration is known as jerk. ठीक है, please learn these. The rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. The rate of change of distance is known as speed. The rate of change of velocity, the rate of change of distance, यहाँ पे हाँ सही बोला था. The rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration, and the rate of change of acceleration, that is known as jerk. अच्छा, again, the rate of change of speed is also known as acceleration. Acceleration दो बार आ रहा है, तो you need to learn that. ठीक है, I hope that is clear. In the end, I'll repeat again for you. Okay, so we are now driving the second equation of motion. Alright, that is, we know that change of position of a body is known as distance. ठीक है, and इतना समझो distance है, change of a position of a body, that is known as distance. Alright, change of a position of a body is known as distance. Alright, change of a position of a body is known as distance covered by a body in a unit time in a particular direction, that is known as velocity. ठीक है, but the total displacement per time is known as average velocity. Please learn these are very important. I would advise you to learn these. That change of position के अंदर change आएगा तो that will call as distance. ठीक है, but position के अंदर change आते हुए एक particular direction with particular unit time, उसको कहेंगे हम velocity. ठीक है, that will be known as velocity. Alright, and but the total displacement, अब यहाँ पे displacement की बात आ रही हो, right? Here we are talking about displacement per time, that is known as average velocity या total velocity. ठीक है, wait a second, मुझे बस ठीक है, तो we know that v is equal to मतलब rate velocity, हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है that s upon t. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे t डिवाइड हो रहा है, वी वांट द वैल्यू ऑफ s मींस डिस्टेंस. ठीक है, तो फिर देन वी हैव, यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई है, वहाँ से डिवाइड होगा तो वी गेट दिस इक्वेशन. ठीक है, देन द बॉडी कवर्ड डिस्टेंस, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. The body covers distance from the initial position to final position with the velocity. Initial position, समझे? Initial position to final position, right? Yep. This is initial position. This is final position with the initial velocity and final velocity to the average velocity. अब उसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? This is just an statement, ठीक है? Means हमारे पास एक बॉडी है with the initial velocity to final velocity. अच्छा, एवरेज निकालते कैसे हैं? एवरेज हमेशा हम किसी चीज़ का हाउ डू वी कैलकुलेट दैट टू ऐड दैट, और उसके बाद एवरेज हम निकालते हैं. वी कैलकुलेट एवरेज विथ वी ऐड दैट, ठीक है? वेट अ सेकेंड, मैं एक चीज़ चेक करूँ. सॉरी फॉर दैट. ओके, ये बार कहते हैं एवरेज वेलोसिटी. ऑलराइट, सो एवरेज वेलोसिटी, हाउ डू वी कैलकुलेट एवरेज वेलोसिटी? दो चीज़ों की एवरेज वेलोसिटी निकालनी है तो वी ऐड देम, एंड उसके बाद उनकी क्वांटिटी से वी डिवाइड कर. अगर यहाँ पे 3 हमारे पास पोजीशंस होती हैं तो वी डिवाइड बाय 3, ठीक है? तो दिस इज़ हाउ वी कैलकुलेट एवरेज. तो यहाँ पे सिंपल एवरेज कैलकुलेट करने का ही दिया हुआ है, राइट? देन वी नो दैट रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी, मैंने आपको अभी आई टोल्ड यू अप स्टेयर्स, we know that the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. तो हम velocity की जगह पे we're gonna place acceleration, ठीक है? ये इन दोनों में जगह shuffle कर ली, तो that we get equation number 3, ठीक है? Now we're gonna put the value of v and t in equation 1 from equation 2 to equation 3, ठीक है? This was our equation number 1, this was our equation number 2. हमने दोनों को put किया. बस I have just shuffle the places. VF मैंने पहले लगा दिया, BI मैंने पहले लगा दिया, यहाँ पे वही same है. Okay, now can you recognize the formula? Which formula are we going to apply upcoming? Yes, exactly, that is a minus b. A plus b is equal to a square minus b square, and 2a is 2 यहाँ पे divide 2a is dividing over here, it will go there, multiply हो जाएगा, तो we'll get this form, and this we know that is equation 2 of motions. Alright, I hope that is clear. The derivation is clear. फिर से हम repeat करती चलूँ. The rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. The rate of change of distance is known as speed. The rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. The rate of change of acceleration is known as jerk. The rate of change of speed is known as acceleration. Must learn these. MLT. Dimension नहीं बता रही. Must learn these. Alright. I hope that is clear for today. If you haven't watched this video, I would advise you to go watch it. उसके बाद ही आप लोगों को ये समझ आएगी, ठीक है? And here ये MCQs भी हैं. These all are MCQs as well, ठीक है? Please learn these MCQs. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.